Assalamualaikum. On those busy days when I'm craving something rich and creamy, I will head to the supermarket next door to grab some cooking cream or whipping cream to make creamy pasta. This is one of my favorite dishes. In a previous video, I made creamy pasta with whipping cream, but today I'll be using cooking cream and let you know how it compares. First, let's boil 150 grams of spaghetti with some salt. When it cooks, turn off the heat. Drain the spaghetti and lay it aside. Now we slice garlic thinly. Marinate the shrimp with 1.5 teaspoon of seasoning powder, half tablespoon of garlic powder, and half tablespoon of paprika powder. Mix it up and let it marinate for 10 minutes. I left shrimp in my pasta and it's easier to get here and it is halal. Heat a pan with a bit of olive oil, add the sliced garlic and stir it until golden and fragrant. You can also use butter instead of oil. Add the marinated shrimp and cook until they are just turning pink. The paprika powder will make our creamy sauce will have a beautiful orange color later. Then we pour in 200 ml of cooking cream and 50 ml of unsweetened fresh milk. I'm using this halal cooking cream. Keep stirring to thicken the sauce. Season with half teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar or to your taste. Then add 2 tablespoons of parmesan and stir to thicken the sauce. Sprinkle dry oregano to add more flavor. Finally, add cooked spaghetti to the pan and toss everything together. Then turn off the heat. Now let's plate our dish. Serve the spaghetti on a plate. Finally, place a fresh egg yolk in the center. You should use the pasteurized egg for health safety. When the pasta is still hot, mix the egg yolk with the pasta so it cooks slightly and creates an extra creamy texture. And there you have it, our delicious creamy shrimp pasta. This creamy shrimp pasta is rich, flavorful, and incredibly easy and fast to make. Enjoy every bite. And here we are with our today recipe, creamy shrimp pasta. Look at it, looking good. Creamy pasta is one of my favorite dishes and I often cook it at home. Now let's give it a try. We scoop the pasta and Bismillah. Super delicious. The combination of the egg yolk, cooking cream, and cheese is very savory, very creamy. Very delicious. You should try this at home. Let's try it. Well, let's try the shrimp with pasta. Let's cook some shrimp. Obviously, the shrimp is very fresh. Look how messy I eat. This meat is very delicious. Last time I cooked creamy pasta with chicken katsu with whipped cream, but today I'm trying with cooking cream, and it's still perfect. Very delicious. You should try this at home. It's very easy and simple to make. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out our new recipe together. If you have anything to say, comment, or feedback, or want me to cook something specific, just let me know in the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.